Bullish band convention cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $9.99 and $18.88 by 2030. Market examiners accept band could reach $7.77 by 2025. Bearish band convention market cost expectation for 2023 is $1.78. Band convention presentation. The presence of numerous conventions, both concentrated and decentralized, has made a requirement for a scaffold between them for quicker exchanges, network simplicity, inertness, and broad associations. Band convention effectively assembled this extension and wipe out the requirement for brokers while encouraging security and dependability. Be that as it may, towards the finish of the second quarter of 2022, the whole market went down a twisting including band convention. In this video, we discuss the previous value activity of this token. The examination will give us an understanding into the future cost expectations, the essentials basic it, and whether it's a wise speculation for your portfolio over the long haul. What is band convention? Band convention was made in 2017 to make a scaffold between the customary web and the blockchain by giving genuine information to the decentralized organization. It is controlled by an aggressive group drove by Sourav Srinivakun, an accomplished programming engineer and specialist, going about as the president, and Sorawit Suryakarn filling in as the CTO. It presents an answer for blockchain profits, which is the unavailability to true information on the chain. This is an obstacle to the extension of the DeFi environment and the improvement of utilizations inside the blockchain, all in all on the grounds that their purposes are inside a shut framework. Band convention kills the requirement for agents and the issues in regards to adaptability and information security during association by relying upon its local blockchain, which was at first sent off on the Ethereum blockchain, however right now works with universe created between blockchain correspondence convention. The security framework inside the convention is empowered by a designated verification of stake agreement system. Band convention current cost. Band convention is right now worth $2.22 USD. Band has moved 7.59% as of now with an exchanging volume of $53,781,280. Band convention is right now positioned 193 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $116,792,618 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for band convention to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant band convention market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Band convention value forecast 2023. Band convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The band cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $3.33. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $3.11 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Band is supposed to have a base worth of $2.66. Band convention value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Band convention band cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of band will before long outperform $5.55. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the band's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, band will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $4.44 and a typical exchanging cost of $4.89. Band convention value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $7.77 and band might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Band is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $7.11 and a low of $6.66 in 2025. Band convention value expectation 2026. On the off chance that band convention effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the band coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, band will be green in 2026. The band is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $9.99, with a base cost of $8.88 and a typical cost of $9.33. Ban Convention Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ban cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $11.55 by 2027, with a base cost of $11.10 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, BAN has a most extreme value worth of $12.21. BAN Convention Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $13.77. In the event that BAN figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $14.43. Neglecting to assemble the help BAN needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $13.32. BAN Convention Value Expectation 2029. While BAN is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $15.54 and a yearly cost close above $16.65 in 2029. BAN Convention Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, BAN Convention will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $17.76 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $18.88, averaging out at $18.21. BAN Convention Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest BAN cost in 2031 is projected to be $21.76 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $20.87. And, from our examination in cost figures, obviously expectations are not uniform on the genuine cost of these tokens, in view of many variables that will perhaps influence it, like unofficial laws, associations, new progressions on the blockchain, or the general set of laws. Doing a reasonable level of effort prior to effective financial planning is supposed to be your watchword. What is the BAN Convention cost today? Today, BAN Convention is exchanging at $2.22 with an all-out market capitalization of $116,792,618. Is BAN Convention a wise speculation? BAN Convention ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is savvy to say that BAN is a decent decision of venture. How high can BAN Convention go? The typical cost of BAN Convention might perhaps reach $3.11 this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that BAN Convention might outperform $14.43. What amount will BAN Convention be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prevalence of digital currency and BAN Convention, a drawn-out interest in BAN could see the value ascend to $14.43 inside the following 5 years.